Good morning, guys, and welcome to another 0 to 60. I'm David.
I'm Andrew,
and today we're in
a 2004 BMW X5, but it's not just any X5, it's the 4.4 V8.
and it's got a rear muffler delete, which on these X5s, the bulk of the mufflers are at the rear because it's a twin pipe.
It sounds rowdy. It is such a friggin' asbo of a car.
Yeah, I've got to admit, it actually sounds cool. I don't know if it really suits
the family
SUV.
wagon.
Yeah, but it sounds like a monster.
So this is the 2004, it is the update E53, which means it comes with the N62 generation of engine, which had a few updates from the M62, which was in the 39 from last week.
Yeah, so this did pretty much replace my M62.
Yes, in every way it's better.
In every way, okay. Capacity?
Capacity, it was still a 4.4.
So it's the same?
It's still a 4.4, but it has got the ZF 6-speed transmission. Now I know the engine's got a lot more, well, it feels like it's got a lot more low-end torque, but the big difference to me in the way they drive is that ZF 6-speed versus the 5-speed.
Yeah, I've got to say those 5 speeds just make it feel quite lethargic. They just sucking the power out of them.
So these were rated at 235 kilowatts and 440 newton meters of torque. It's not the daddy X5 either from this generation. The 4.8 was 265 kilowatts and I think about 490 newton meters. But it's still a good whack of power for a four-wheel drive. And they're rated at 7 seconds, 0 to 100.
I do admit it does actually feel like it shifts from the passenger seat, but that could be, well, partly because it sounds like thunder, and also because it is quite a big car. It sort of, sometimes it's sort of deceiving. It feels, because it's a big, heavy car, it feels like you're moving quicker than you are. How quickly do you guys think it's going to get to 100?
Well, do you think it's going to beat his E39 540, which this is 8 years newer, so it's definitely got a more advanced technology in it, but it is kind of a lot heavier. So let us know in the poll if you think it's going to beat Dave's E39 540.
And I guess there's only one way to find out.
Let's go and do it. Here we go.
Well, that wasn't too bad.
It wasn't. So the fastest run was an 8.28, which is about 1/10 of a second off of the XJR Jaguar, which is alright, I reckon.
Yeah, most importantly, it wasn't faster than my car.
No, it was not. You've kept the title of the fastest V8 BMW from the 90s. Well, actually, or thousands.
Yeah. But I've got to say, it actually felt quite aggressive, actually leaving the line. I was worried for a second.
I don't think traction was going to be an issue, but they are a torquey engine. They are impressive. The fastest run was done in manual shifting mode and short shifting. If you left it in just full sports auto, it would wind right out to like 6.5.
Yeah, it actually feels like the shift was a bit, not sloppy, but
it feels slower at 6.5 than it does if you try and shift it about 5 to 5.5.
Yeah, it's funny that you would think more RPM would make a more aggressive shift. It's strange.
Who knows?
Something to keep in mind when you're street racing your X5, people.
If you've got one of these, guys, I know these are really popular in the States, let us know what sort of times you get out of yours.
Yeah, again, that was 1.2, 1.3 seconds off of the factory claimed time. Similar to my car. Quite a big difference from what BMW claimed all those years ago.
And we forgot to mention in the intro, but just so everyone knows, we time these using a V-Box Sport, which is really accurate, but we don't go for like an all-out race time. This obviously got 2 guys in the car. It's got a full tank of fuel nearly, so it's not an optimum time, but it's a real world time.
Yeah, it is real world times. That's what we do at 0 to 60. So if you like what we do, please hit the subscribe button, ring that bell if you want to see more videos, and you'll get notified when they do come up. And of course,
thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.